Big news from Apollo Cloud. Today, we're launching something that we know will change the way businesses think about mobiles. Welcome to Mobile Flex. For the last 3 years, we've been helping businesses transform the way they communicate. And now we're bringing that same approach to business mobiles. Mobile Flex is the new flexible way to buy your business mobile services. Whether you need SIM only or the latest Apple or Samsung devices to match any budget. Traditionally, you've had to choose value or flexibility. With Mobile Flex, you get both. All networks on a single contract with 90-day rolling contract terms and the ability to switch networks or tariff at any time. Your teams can mix and match O2, EE or Vodafone, whatever works best for them. Setup is seamless with either physical SIMs or eSIMs. You can even provision your new service with a simple QR code. You get one simple portal for billing and management, and the best bit, you get a dedicated account manager you can actually pick the phone up and speak to. Mobile Flex is live today. If you're ready for business mobiles that flex with your business and your needs instead of tying you down, visit apollocloud.co.uk or get in touch with us, and one of our account managers would love to talk to you about how we can help your business. Let's make your business mobiles smarter.